At Porsche, everything starts with the driver.
Performance, design, tech. Better than ever before.
The fully electric Cayenne sets the benchmark for future performance.
You want to race these two?
Yes, absolutely.
That thing is a rocket! What the?
Here we go again. This is what I was looking for. As light-footed as a mountain goat. Hey, what are you doing up here? I thought I was the only one. Looks like something really big is coming.
Emotional, exceptional, electric. This is a new Cayenne, a league of its own in every way. Performance, design, tech. Better than ever before. With the Taycan, we launched our first all-electric sports car in 2019, a bold move at that time. We added the all-electric Macan to this EV lineup. Now, the Cayenne Electric is set to be a game changer again. It's pushing the limits, breaking into a whole new world, redefining what an SUV can be. Groundbreaking electric power meets everyday usability. Excellent long-distance comfort meets uncompromising off-road qualities. Our most powerful series production car ever, up to 1,156 PS, 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. That's supercar territory conquered by a full-size SUV. Charging, fast and easy, from 10 to 80% in less than 16 minutes with up to 400 kilowatts of charging power. You're back on the road in no time. Hardware and software perfectly connected, fast, direct, intuitive, built to work as one. It's not just digital, it's Porsche digital. The design, bold, refined, unmistakably Porsche, with outstanding aerodynamics. Michael has more.
Unmistakably Porsche, unmistakably Cayenne. What does that mean? We built on established design features, kept the ones that make the Cayenne unique, and carried them into the future. Important for every Porsche are the Porsche typical proportions. It is the height to width ratio, and it is the stance of the car. Let's have a look at the front. So there you see this very low bonnet and our typical topography with these pronounced fenders and the very flat matrix LED headlights. When we look at the side of the car, you see this dropping and very fast roofline. We as designers love to call it the Porsche flyline. On the rear end of the car, we have introduced as well new progressive design features that underline the modern design language of the car. The light band has a three-dimensional shape. Aerodynamics is very important for Porsche, and the new Cayenne is one of the most aerodynamic SUVs in its segment. On the turbo, there's one additional highlight, the active aero blades. Inside, there's even more to discover. With the new interior concept, we are setting standards in driver-oriented digitalization. With up to 3 screens, the total display area is the largest ever in a Porsche. But at the same time, we kept some Porsche-typical analog elements. My personal highlight of the interior is our flow display. It transforms a user interface into a visually flowing user experience. And with the handrest, we make sure that you can operate all digital and analog elements, even in dynamic driving situations. And now, Sajjad, tell us more about the digital driver experience.
At Porsche, everything starts with the driver, and we work extremely hard to elevate the driver's experience. This is the essence of Porsche Digital Interaction. We call it PDI. It's an intelligent fusion of software and hardware that gives seamless, intuitive access to entertainment, connectivity, and of course, the personalized driving. Our digital innovations bring clear benefits: a robust software platform, over-the-air updates, advanced driver assistance system, as well as the integration of our class-leading predictive charging planner. On top, the AI-driven Porsche Voice Pilot is your onboard travel companion, someone who understands what you mean and amplifies your experience of the beautiful world we live in. Hey Porsche, introduce yourself.
Sure. I use artificial intelligence to understand what you say and respond naturally. When you ask me something, I process your words, recognize the context like your location, current music, or what we talked about before. I am designed to be fast, safe, and focused on your needs while driving.
So imagine navigating, discovering local insights, and finding the perfect song all in just one go. Now let's take a look at our flow display. The dual screen, which has the intelligence together with the beauty as well as the functionality. The upper section delivers great visuals while also offering you all kind of adjustment in a very instant manner. For example, you touch the vehicle, all the major features are available to you for a very smooth experience. The lower section offers a very fast, intuitive, personal experience. You can move as you want, and you can also customize as you would like to have it for your own drive. And the curved instrument cluster reimagines again the Porsche iconic tube layout, fully digital, fully customizable, and 100% driver-focused. And for the passenger, integrating third-party apps with native Porsche experiences offers a new level of entertainment, streaming, and even gaming. Being a co-pilot has never been this much fun. With all this digitalization and intelligence, what have we done for the actual driving experience? Let's go to Michael.
We put thousands of kilometers of testing into the development of the new Cayenne Electric, on ice and snow, in the mountains and even the desert. Hi Gabby.
Hi, Michael. I love the wireless charging. It's so cool.
Simple and hands-free, the way it should be. You drove the car always uphill, testing the limits. How did it feel like?
Of course, something completely different that I'm used to. And I have to say, the off-road package with the additional ground clearance and a better approach angle really opens up new possibilities. But one thing stood out was the incredible traction. How do you translate all the power into forward momentum? What's the secret?
That was a big challenge indeed. We are harnessing up to 1,156 PS and a torque of 1,500 Newton-meter with our newly developed electric Porsche traction management. It's a fully variable system that reacts 5 times quicker than a conventional all-wheel drive, within 5 milliseconds. And we get some additional help on the rear axle by the Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus.
Another thing I have noticed, how practical it is. There's just so much space.
That was really important for us. The car offers a huge load capacity, nearly 100 liters more than before, due to the 90-liter frunk. At Porsche, we are all about performance, even when it comes to charging. With our charging capacity of up to 400 kilowatt, we can go from 10 to 80% state of charge in under 16 minutes.
Wow, that's really quick. That reminds me, I have to get going. Mark is waiting. Do you have the keys?
Of course, I already sent it to you. Good luck for the race.
I'm not the one who needs luck with this beast. Does it have a hitch?
Of course, it's a Cayenne.
How much does it pull?
Up to 3.5 tons.
Oh, perfect. I gotta pick up something.
Gabby,
Hi,
how are you?
all good, how are you?
Great.
Up for a challenge?
Always. But you want to race these two?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow, this was a sub 7-minute record holder at Nürburgring, and this is an SUV. I mean, this is apples and oranges.
Yeah, you wait and see.
Okay. A real supercar. This is a beauty. I'm in good hands.
He doesn't know what's coming.
Come on.
That thing is a rocket.
Oh, he's catching up. 200.
Gotcha. I guess it's on. I'm on you.
Off-road, baby.
Oh, come on, that's cheating. Where on earth did she go? Really? Goats? What next?
What the?
Wow, the stability of this beast is crazy. Got some power for the next sprint.
Whoa! That was cool.
That was so much fun.
Nailed it. Swap cars?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Wow, that was exciting. The Cayenne goes electric and stays every bit a Porsche. For over 2 decades, the Cayenne has defined versatility and performance in the SUV segment. Now it enters a new era. The fully electric Cayenne and Cayenne Turbo set the benchmark for future performance. And new versions will follow soon. In the future, customers worldwide and in all segments can choose what suits them best: electric, hybrid, or combustion. This means the Cayenne carries our flexible drivetrain strategy well into the next decade. And individuality has never gone further. From a wide range of colors and wheels to exclusive interior options, every Cayenne can be uniquely yours. Through our Sonderwunsch program, even one-of-a-kind creations are possible. The new Cayenne Electric marks the start of a bold new chapter, shaping the youngest and most exciting Porsche lineup ever. Porsche, there is no substitute.